Ladies and gentlemen, the Krilich brothers, then and now. Although they haven't performed in name as the Krilich brothers since 1990, the band has regrouped the majority of its members after the Chicago Extravaganza last year, and have since added a couple of stellar musicians to the fold. The regular active members of the Krilich Brothers Orchestra are Rudy Grasha Jr. on accordion and vocals. Rudy is receiving his 50-year recognition award this weekend. Congratulations, Rudy. Rob Krilich, an original member, and without him, today's band would just be referred to as the Rich Krilich Orchestra. He is the middle Krilich brother and is on lead, preem, and vocals. Frank Mosca, an original band member from 1968 to 1972, left the orchestra after his request to change the group's name was rejected in a close vote which ran mostly along family lines. Frank plays the bass. Bobby Lalich, formerly of the Popovich Brothers and Istina Orchestras, currently plays brach and cello with the orchestra, but will be unable to be here this weekend. Filling in for Bobby is the very capable and talented Joe Kirin of the T. Roma Orchestra on brach. The business manager, spokesman, marketing director, and accounts receivable manager for the group is longtime TAA member, director, and past executive officer Rich Krilich on Beglite. Rich first started playing under the direction of... sorry, Rich, I've got to cut this short. Jim Grasha, another original member of the band and brother of Rudy Grasha, was also to perform this weekend, but was called out of town on business and sends his greetings to all. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure now to present to you the Krilich Brothers Orchestra of Chicago.